Today I'm going to be reviewing WSKVEZZA's Astronaut Galaxy Projector. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This projects the nebulas, stars up on the ceiling, wherever. Let's open up the box and see what we got. I'm kind of excited. All right, here it is. Really cute, tiny. So when you get it, the head was actually off. But there's a big magnet there, so you can actually adjust it however you want. This is what the back looks like. It does come with the charging cord. We're going to plug it in and take a look at what it can do. It also comes with a remote. Just pull out the little plastic tab at the bottom, and then you can get this started. There are multiple effects that you can choose from the remote for the nebulas, the stars. All right, so I've got this projecting. I don't know if you can see the nebulas there, but you can adjust this. Different colors is more red. I don't know how well that's actually showing up in here. So on the remote, you can definitely get all the different colors on there. I don't know if you can see it in my light there. You can change the nebula. You can change the brightness. Let's make the nebula brighter so maybe you can see it. That is really cool. Very quiet too. It has just a little bit of a hum to it, so it's not going to be a problem. If you want to project up to the ceiling, again, this just moves around for your kids. Very easy to use with the remote or from the back. What's really nice is this is an Amazon choice. It's got 4.6 stars, over 390 reviews, and last month 2,000 of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.